Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to ship your products in your Shopify store internationally. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can be sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your Shopify account. And after logging into your Shopify account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, as you can see, where you can see all the options you can manage for using your website, such as home option right here, this home section. You can see your orders in the order section, see your products, customers, and so on. So guys, the first thing we have to do to be able to ship internationally is to have some products. So go ahead and open up the products tab right here. And guys, here are all of our products. So let's go ahead and open up a product right here guys and see that we have shipping enabled. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and as you will be able to see, we have shipping enabled. If not guys, then we will be able to remove it. So now what we want to do guys is to go ahead and manage our shipping option by searching at the top of the page right here. Search for shipping guys, and then click on this shipping option right here to manage your rates. This will open up this shipping option right here, as you can see, and now we can manage our rates. We can even make custom rates for some products, or we can just manage general shipping rates by clicking this arrow right here. And now you can see we can manage our rates for domestic orders. As you can see, for our country from where we are from, we can manage international orders from different countries where you can set the price as you want. You can even click the add rate button, click the rate name, let's say USA, and we'll add the rate to be, let's say, 500. So let's go ahead and click done, and as you can see, we'll now add a new rate at USA, and we have the standard rate and so on, and you can add as many rates as you want for your customers to be able to know how much you charge. Just click save at the top right corner and you're all done, and you will successfully save those rates. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.